This is how you import GrutBrushes into Artstudio Pro. Open GrutBrushes.com in your browser. I'm using Safari. Go to My Account. If you're not logged in, it will ask you to log in. Go to Members Only Files. Scroll down to find the iPad brushes for Artstudio Pro. Tap the blue button to download them. You can follow the progress by watching the blue bar at the top of the screen. Now that the brushes have downloaded, it's giving me the option to open them in Adobe Sketch, but I'm going to tap on More to open them in Artstudio Pro. Find Artstudio Pro and tap on it. Now it's installing all the GrutBrushes into Artstudio Pro. When that notification disappears, they're installed. When you have the paintbrush tool selected, you can tap down here to find all the installed GrutBrushes. Pick the one you want and start painting.